Hi everyone, it's Dave from Webb's Motorhome Adventures. I'm just going to show you today what I've done with my tellies. I've seen a few people in motorhomes drilling holes in motorhomes and put the tellies behind these stands. I'm just going to show you a quick thing that I've done, which might help you, might not. But this is just thing is this is a 2005 Kentucky, so it might not work for you and it might work for somebody else. Okay, so I'll show you now. Right, if you look at here, look, this is basically where you put your television on here. So I'm not sure if this was designed for one of them old-fashioned fat tellies, you know, what they have in the, whether it was, I don't know. So what I've done, comes out like that, as far as that. I've drilled a hole down here. Well, tell a lie, the bloke before me drilled a hole, but same thing. So basically he's drilled a hole there. If you look, there's a thing coming up there, look. So what I've done, I thought, what can I do? So I bought a television stand. Just unscrew that there. I bought a television stand and I took off that half. So that half then would go on the wall. So you just take that off and just drill a hole through there like that. Can you see that hole there? Drill a hole through there. So all I do, television view it, put that on there like that. Hold it. Give me a little wing nut. And that's it. So it's a television stand. You just check the nut off the bottom. What I've also done, so because we're posh, we've got two tellies. Why we've got two tellies, I don't know. We just got it. So that's there for there. Then you can either push that back, have it there, and it all goes round. No drilling, nothing, which I think is really good. So if you look on this is a 12 volt telly, what the chap give us. Here's the same thing. If you look at there, there's a television stand. So I've took the bolt out, the back one, which normally goes on the wall, and I'll show you. I'll show you what I do with this. So say if say you want the kids to watch all their stuff, pouring down around, you want all the kids, it acts as a stand as well. So you can either put that like that. There. No drilling, nothing whatsoever. Just remember, you buy a normal stand, you take that off like that, and that's not going nowhere. So you can have it as high as you want or as low as you want. I think that's quite clever. What you don't want to be doing is drilling holes in caravans. It's just it's not right. So there you go. That's say 12 volt telly. Not saying that we go on holiday just to watch tellies, but we've got grandkids. Keep them quiet. Shove them in the back. Picture the scene. You shove them in the back. Get in there. Shut the bedroom, and there. They've got their own telly there, and to take it down, it's just this. Look, right. Take it down. If you get a small enough telly, they do fold in there. This actually folds in there, but I don't like travelling with them because I like to keep them nice and you just unscrew it like that. Lifts up, folds down. Well, this telly as well, you can even put on there. Look, rest it on the back of there. No holes drilled. Jobs are good, and this might come in handy for some people. I think it's quite clever. No drilling. Just remember, don't get drilling in your motorhome inside unless you absolutely have to. Alright, I'm Dave from Webb's Motorhome Adventures. Hope this has been useful for you. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Spread the news. I'm up to 64 subscribers now. I only had one when I started. Oh no, I had two. The missus and my kids. Right, okay then. Catch you again soon.